Have you ever wondered how the different types of bulletproof glass are rated? Well, in this video, I'm diving into the UL 752 standards with Wade from US Bulletproofing to break it all down. So Wade, we're going to be doing a lot of shooting today. We're going to be talking about all that stuff. We have to follow the standard, right? Because all of this testing does revolve around a standard that you guys have to follow, which is the UL 752. Can you break that down for me a little bit? Because that chart is a little confusing at times for a lot of people.
I sure can. Absolutely. It can get very confusing because essentially, again, UL 752 is testing more than just glass samples. A lot of the times they're testing the overall fenestration system. So it can get confusing, but a brief overview essentially would be UL 752. There are 10 different levels, but most commonly you're going to see levels 1 through 8. Levels 1 through 3 primarily focus on small caliber handguns, 9mm, 357s, and 44 Magnums. 4 through 8 focus on your higher caliber rounds, single shot rifles, semi-automatic weapons in some cases, and some of the different levels are some are shot 3 times, some are shot once, and some are shot 5 times. But essentially, the idea is you are providing time for ballistic protection for people on the secure side of these windows, a chance to get to safety.